Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to look how we can install FileZilla. To install FileZilla, let's search in Google and click this first link. Now this is the web page for FileZilla. Now we want to install FileZilla on either Windows or Mac or Linux. So let's go to download here. Click on this. You will see a new page. For Windows, do not click on this. To get the right version, click on Show Additional Download Options. From here, you can choose any download depending on whether your machine is Windows or Mac or Linux. So I have a Windows 64-bit machine. I'm going to download this one. Let's open this. I agree. You can choose whether you want to install for only your user or for all user in your machine. Let's do for all user. Next. Next. Okay, start FileZilla now and finish. So what this will do, this will open up a window like this. Now here you can log in and get all your files, whatever files, assignments, tutorials you have in your Ubuntu machines in the ECC. You can get all those files, all the assignments and all the tutorial files. Now I'll make a new video once I have the username and password. So I will make a new video and will show that how you can get all your data from the ECC machines.